Gotta love the junkyard, especially when it has everything you need in the same color and everything. How much you think everything out the door is gonna be? Fender, hood, and bumper. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get all this stuff to the house. Get this Impala back rolling again. Yeah. Y'all comment and see, let me know what y'all think. 3 of them items is gonna be, you know, junkyards is taxing nowadays, but better than the dealership, you know what I'm saying? Everything's so clean, except right there. That ain't nothing, but everything is so nice. Man, let me hurry up and grab this stuff for somebody else take it. All right, comment, subscribe for what's gonna happen next. Yeah.